call it my Get Your Man beef roast. I got a well-marbled roast, well-marbled about like me, that I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, and cayenne, and dusted it liberally with flour. And I've got my vegetables arranged. It's just a typical good old roast beef. A lot of girls my age get intimidated when they hear, oh my gosh, I can't make a roast. But just scattered my vegetables, and I've also seasoned my vegetables because I believe in that. And so I'm going to make my gravy.
All the great principles, you're hitting every one of them.
Yes. So I keep my steak fat. When I have a prime rib or when some handsome thing takes me out for a ribeye, I keep my fat and then I render it, and because it keeps about a month to 60 days. I've melted some steak fat. You can use bacon fat. Well, this is my grandma's old pan, but this is what I floured and seasoned my roast in, and so I don't like to throw anything away because that's how they were raised to cook too. So I'm just dumping the rest of my flour in here.
There you go. These are all the principles that are universal around the world, not just in America, but everywhere. You don't waste. You use every bit. You're grateful for it. You save it and use it.
Yes. So all I'm doing is getting my fat and my flour incorporated, all the skinny girls. And then we're going to add, just get it fragrant, I'm going to add a couple cups of beef stock.
There you go.
And I'm not going to salt my gravy because I could not find unsalted stock. So it'll be a little salty. But you know what? I've got backup.
Well, you can always do to taste later. Who cares?
I accidentally put a splash of wine in this. Sometimes I accidentally splash beer in it. Just whatever you're drinking. a little red wine. But that looks good. I'm going to pour it over my roast. Woo! I'm going to cut that off. Look at that. I can't wait for them to see this. I should have tilted my pan the other way.
Everyone is seeing this live time, how easy it is and how much joy it brings you. That's why this is so huge on TikTok. That's why this is so huge with people, because of your enthusiasm. And you show people that really anybody can do this. It's just about your love of food. Anybody can cook.
Absolutely. Anybody can do this. Anybody can cook. I'm going to grab that to the side. I'm going to put a lid on it. Make sure you get a good large roasting pan. And then I'm going to bake it on 275 for 3 to 4 hours. So you can go do something productive.
Yeah, but the whole house is going to smell crazy good. Crazy good.
Hey, hush, I can't wait. Are you ready for the reveal, Lucille?
Oh, yeah, baby. Ooh. Bring it. Woo!
Look at that thing there. You see that? Isn't that great?
Bravo! Woo!
Now, and so I usually can't decide if I'm going to have a mashed potato. So I like to take the potatoes from the roast and smash those, and I can serve it over creamed potatoes. Or what we used to do back home, because, I grew up in Savannah, Georgia, the deep south, we would plate it on grits, which these are.
I was just going to say, are those grits? Dang!
Now look at this thing. I'm so proud of how pretty this roast is. I just want y'all to see. Look at that. It just breaks apart. Look at all that.
Look, it just breaks up into nothing. Look at that.
Look at that. I'm just going to put some gravy on this, some potatoes and carrots, and look how thick. Look how thick that gravy is.